Hello there, welcome to Decor Zone, your ultimate destination for furniture and decor inspiration. Using wood logs and leftover timber in woodworking offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics or utility. As environmental consciousness and sustainability continue to gain traction in contemporary society, the practice of utilizing these materials has garnered increased attention from both hobbyists and professional woodworkers. Embracing wood logs and leftover timber not only enhances creativity and craftsmanship, but also promotes responsible resource management and environmental stewardship. One of the primary advantages of using wood logs and leftover timber is the opportunity for creative expression. Woodworking itself is a craft that encourages creativity, and incorporating logs and timber remnants adds an additional layer of uniqueness to projects. Each piece of wood possesses its own grain patterns, colors, and textures, making every project distinct. This individuality allows woodworkers to create one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect their personal style and artistic vision. Dear viewers, today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas you can make with wood logs and leftover timber. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Unlike purchased materials that may come from mass production lines, using logs and leftover timber fosters a sense of authenticity that resonates with both the maker and the end user. Moreover, the inherent properties of wood logs can inspire innovative design solutions. Working with irregular shapes and sizes can challenge woodworkers to think outside the box, developing techniques and styles that enhance their skills. For example, a tree trunk may serve as the basis for a sculptural coffee table, while smaller offcuts could become intricate decorative accents. This engagement with the material encourages experimentation, often leading to unexpected and delightful results that might not occur with standardized lumber. As a result, using wood logs and leftover timber not only contributes to the final product, but also cultivates creativity and problem-solving abilities. Using leftover timber also promotes sustainability by minimizing waste. In an era where environmental awareness is paramount, woodworking can be a way to repurpose materials that would otherwise contribute to landfills. Traditional lumber operations often produce offcuts and scraps that may appear insignificant on their own, yet these pieces can hold tremendous potential in skilled hands. By incorporating these resources into projects, woodworkers can embody a philosophy of reduce, reuse, recycle that aligns with sustainable living. This conscious effort to utilize every part of the wood fosters a deeper respect for the materials and the trees from which they come, promoting a more responsible approach to woodworking. Additionally, working with leftover timber allows woodworkers to reduce costs. New lumber can be expensive, especially certain varieties of hardwood. By repurposing offcuts and timber remnants, individuals can significantly cut down on expenses without sacrificing quality. This opens the door for woodworkers of all levels to engage in larger projects without the financial burden associated with purchasing new materials. As a result, hobbyists can explore woodworking more freely, while seasoned professionals can allocate their budgets to other aspects of their craft, whether that be tools, finishes, or other complementary materials. The tactile experience of working with wood logs and leftover timber is another notable benefit. Each piece of wood has its own unique feel, grain, and character, providing a rich sensory experience that enhances the woodworking process. Engaging with the texture of the material can be particularly gratifying, as the woodworker can appreciate the intrinsic beauty in each piece. This connection to the material fosters a sense of mindfulness that can be therapeutic, allowing practitioners to immerse themselves completely in their projects. In a world where distractions abound, the act of focusing on the natural qualities of wood can promote a sense of presence and calm, making woodworking not only a creative outlet, but also a restorative practice. Moreover, there is a deep sense of satisfaction in transforming wood logs and leftover timber into functional and beautiful items. Witnessing the metamorphosis of raw materials into finished pieces fosters a profound connection to the craft. This transformation often entails a labor-intensive process, sawing, shaping, sanding, and finishing, that allows woodworkers to take pride in their work. This gratification is amplified when working with materials that may otherwise be considered waste. The act of redefining their purpose can evoke feelings of accomplishment and connection to stewardship. The practice of utilizing wood logs and leftover timber can also foster a sense of community among woodworkers. Individuals who embrace sustainable practices often share common values and philosophies, creating spaces for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and support. Workshops, forums, and social media platforms abound with opportunities for woodworkers to discuss projects, techniques, and challenges related to working with these materials. This sense of community encourages individuals to connect with each other, share their successes and setbacks, and inspire one another to push the boundaries of their craft. Additionally, the ecological benefits of using logs and leftover timber cannot be overstated. When woodworkers repurpose materials, they inherently reduce the demand for new lumber, thus alleviating the pressure on forests. Deforestation and unsustainable logging practices pose significant threats to biodiversity and ecosystems worldwide. By embracing the use of leftover materials, woodworkers contribute to conservation efforts, minimizing the need for new trees to be harvested and ensuring that natural resources are managed responsibly. This commitment to sustainability resonates with environmentally conscious consumers, making handcrafted pieces more appealing in a market increasingly prioritizing eco-friendliness. Furthermore, using wood logs and leftover timber can enhance the overall sustainability of the woodworking industry. Implementing practices that prioritize material efficiency and waste reduction encourages other participants in the supply chain, such as retailers and manufacturers, to adopt similar philosophies. As the demand for sustainable products grows, this shift can lead to broader changes in industry standards, encouraging suppliers to consider more environmentally responsible practices. This creates a ripple effect that promotes a culture of sustainability throughout the woodworking community. In addition to the environmental benefits, there is also a cultural significance to using wood logs and leftover timber in woodworking. Many traditional woodworking techniques and crafts have emerged from the need to optimize available resources, passed down through generations. Engaging with these practices allows modern woodworkers to honor their heritage while also contributing to a sustainable future. This historical perspective can instill valuable lessons related to resourcefulness and craftsmanship, encouraging individuals to engage more deeply with the craft and its historical context. Another critical aspect of utilizing wood logs and leftover timber is the potential for storytelling through crafted pieces. Each log or piece of timber comes with a narrative, whether it holds memories of a specific landscape or carries the weight of its journey through time. The story behind the material enhances its significance. Woodworkers can further amplify this narrative by incorporating elements related to the wood's origin or character. For instance, a table made from reclaimed barnwood may symbolize resilience and the passage of time, while a sculpture crafted from driftwood could reflect the connection between the land and water. This storytelling aspect adds a layer of emotional depth to each piece, making it resonate with those who encounter it. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project ideas you can make with wood logs and leftover timber. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.